the Songbirds changed their tune. You straightened your chair and a glob of oatmeal dropped from your mouth back into your bowl. And I wondered whether you were going to spoon that glob back into your mouth or whether you were going to sit there staring at your bowl. You stared at the bowl. I stared at you. You looked like something was about to happen. You looked like something was happening. I waited for something to happen. Nothing happened. Then the following. Through the blinds, a horizontal blade of light bisected your face and you said, "I think I hear John Denver." You said, "Sweet Surrender. I'm hearing the melody from Sweet Surrender. Are you not hearing the melody from Sweet Surrender?" You said, "Strike that. It isn't Sweet Surrender. It's Rocky Mountain High. I'm hearing the melody from Rocky Mountain High. Are you not also hearing the melody from Rocky Mountain High? What's in this oatmeal?" You said, "This is freaky. Now I'm hearing Country Roads. Is that what that song is called, Country Roads? Or is it called Take Me Home? Or is it called Take Me Home, Country Roads? Whatever it's called, it's what I'm hearing. Do you hear it? Do you hear Country Roads? Or Take Me Home? Or Take Me Home, Country Roads? Or whatever it's called. Do you hear? Do you?" "No," I said, listening. "I'm hearing Creedence. It's unmistakably Creedence. Late Creedence, early 70s Creedence. It's Long as I Can See the Light." And it's funny that it's that song because right now, at this very moment, there's a slice of sunlight illuminating your forehead. You said, "What's happening here?" I said I didn't know. I didn't understand. You didn't understand either. We went to investigate our misunderstandings outside. It was sunny outside, obviously. It was also loud outside. We traced the amplified trail of melodies to a group of tanagers perched on a teenager's Marshall stack in our neighbor's garage. A microphone plugged into the speaker hissed. The quartet of birds leaned into the mic and launched into the birds. They did 8 Miles High. Then they did Aerosmith's Walk This Way. We walked closer. We listened, amazed. You said, "These songbirds sure have changed their tunes this morning." "I know," I said. "They're really into some deep cuts from the 70s. I dig it." I flicked my Bic and held it aloft. For an encore, they played "Don't Fear the Reaper," and then they flew away. We watched them flying high into the sky and south towards Taos. In a nearby tree, a murder of crows laughed their asses off. They were laughing at us. We were certain of it. We hustled inside, locked the doors, shut the blinds, turned out the lights.